Hi folks, this is a short video on the sound quality of the XPS. I just want to go through it with you. So I got this demo from YouTube to test out the left and right speakers, and I'm going to let you hear it for yourself. So let's move on the left hand side. Nice. It's working on the right. It's nice. So let me just type gaming music. Yeah, that gets a bit boring. Let's play something randomly. When the lights are out, my heart is your yeah, you feel it in the whole room. It's I have a MacBook and I thought that was magnificent. This is incredible as well. I've got no complaints about the sound quality. It's a fantastic multimedia system. I think watching films on this would be amazing too, with the 4K streamer version. Alright, so I'm going to end it there. Hope you enjoyed it. Press like and subscribe if you like to.
I hope you like the video songs.
Alright, cheers Rosie. Thanks, it's my daughter Rosie. This is an everyday dad's life, having a kid around. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.